Have you noticed any water coming in your basement or crawl space this winter, or cracks appearing in your walls and foundation? Well, now is the time to get ahead of what could become a big problem.
Today's CI Home sponsor, Woods Basement Systems. They're back. David Thompson is here.
Hey, Heather.
So what we're talking cracks in our foundation, our basements. That doesn't sound good.
How do you too, Tim?
Guys, I was going to let that slide.
No, never. Thanks for having me back. But yeah, you know, concrete is going to crack and it's going to get hard. That's the two absolutes about concrete. And block foundations are a little bit different than poured foundations, and they crack differently. Of course, if there's water coming in, that's a different problem than if it's a structural repair or not. So typically when you have cracks, and you will have cracks, if they start to offset, if you can have a bump or a widening of the cracks, especially this winter when the moisture got in the ground and it froze, there's an extra exertion on the wall, and you see the basement crack get bigger, it might have gotten bigger.
So not everyone is one to freak out about, but you want to make sure you understand what it is and what's happening.
Right. If it's an ongoing problem, let's face it, it's not going to get better. Better get a free estimate and get it fixed.
Yeah.
We have some products here that are great for your basement and different wall repairs. They're galvanized steel, American-made steel, of course, and it'll permanently solve the problem in a poured foundation or a block foundation, and brace up the wall and have a written transferable warranty for the life of the structure.
Well, this is why we have experts in, because I would be tempted to like put gum in the cracks and try to fill it in. This feels like it might do a better job.
Feel it, pick it up. That's some real. Pick it up. Is that not?
Holy smoke!
That is heavy, isn't it?
It's heavy.
Good thing you worked out.
And yeah, right. And what does
That's a brace between the floor joists that goes with this piece vertically. Now this is a smaller piece that will cut to fit the size of the wall that you need in your basement, and that braces against it in the foundation.
I'm going to set this down now.
Yeah, I don't blame you. And if the floor joists are running differently, then we have this piece here. It's another piece of steel that reinforces with this if the floor joist is running, 90 degrees to that. So we'll permanently solve those foundation problems and give you the peace of mind that you need.
So this doesn't fix the crack per se, but it keeps it from getting worse?
If you're having, if you're having that foundation issue that you want to have that fixed and remedied, this will do that for you, and then you have a written transferable warranty if and when you choose to sell your house, plus the peace of mind that you're not going to have a problem down the road.
Yeah, well, we were looking at some pictures a moment ago. I'm hoping they can pull those back up so you can kind of tell us what we were looking at. And
just different cracks, basically, and of course, like I said, that most of them were leaking.
Okay.
And some of them were on the foundation itself. The floor foundation wall is definitely leaking there. That one's definitely leaking. If you rub your hand across the crack, it's relatively smooth, so it's just a leaking problem. If there's an offset, if there's a bump in that crack, and you monitor that, and now it's a ½ inch in, poured foundation walls want to tip in. That needs to be remedied because it's going to keep coming in.
So water may not be the only problem. It could be a sinking or settling issue now your foundation is moving in addition to letting water
That's correct. That's correct. Maintaining that water on the outside is always best. Keeping your gutters and downspouts cleared will help with water, but it also helps stabilize the foundation.
So
don't let that happen.
Working so well here. Yeah. That's a bunch of water.
Hey, boys like to play in the water and rain anyway. Go outside and check out your foundation when it's raining and make sure that's not happening. Extend those downspouts and get that water away, because it's just not a waterproofing issue. You want to keep your foundation safe and sound.
Is winter a good time to make these kind of repairs?
We can work all year round. It's kind of funny. I had a picture of the guys jackhammering the frost to get through the freezing and then get down to the soil where we could dig. But yeah, it's kind of funny when the guys out in the middle of the yard jackhammering to get through the frozen. But typically we don't like to do that. But
what does the process look like for someone who either doesn't know if they have an issue or not and wants to prevent it, or has said, I see cracks, but I don't know what the issue is?
Right.
What do they do?
Well, first contact us for a free estimate, and we'll evaluate what product is best. The wall bracing, or the wall anchoring. If there's not a lot of room and space and neighbors are too close, then we have to use the bracing system like this on the inside. But we could also use the other plate system on the outside if we have the yard and distances to go. Especially with that, we can avoid patios and downspouts. Patios and decks. We can get beyond that 20 feet out, 24 feet out, and not have to disturb those landscaping beds and decks as well.
Well, there you go.
Yeah.
All of our problems solved right here.
And if you need some help, I'll schlep this stuff in once we need to put this on the house. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, you will. No, I'm good. Hey, there is a look at their website, and we'll connect you with Woods Basement Systems on CILiving.tv. Always great having you.
Thanks, Heather. Thanks, Tim.